Do you love diamond art or other crafts that you have a lot of accessories and small parts for? Well, this case covers it all. This here holds 60 little containers that will hold your diamond art, your jewelry making supplies, any sort of beads or jewelry supplies that you might have. So, in the case itself, you've got 60 of these containers. That's right, 60. Each of these can hold up to 2,000 diamond art beads. Pretty amazing. Besides the diamond art, or besides the containers, you also get the trays. Let me dump that out here. So here's the little trays for when you're working. This comes with two. We've got a tweezers. We've got little sticky pads here for that. Also comes with several of these little grippies for your tools. Let me show you here. So I put one on here. So you've got your tools. Comes with 4 of these tools. You've got the diamond tip part, and then you've also got these little these other little pieces down here at the end. So you've got all of those. Comes with a scraper, flat scraper, squeegee type thing. Additional little plastic baggies. And then labels. So you've got, these are little dot labels. They're kind of hard to see, but these are for, they can be used the top of the jar, or you've got these little square ones that can also be used on the top or on the side. So really a lot of options here with this whole kit. And again, don't limit yourself to just diamond art. Maybe a jewelry lover would appreciate something like this. I just love how it all stores in this great little case. And this case is so cute. I love the design. This comes in a couple different colors. I opted for the pink. So either for yourself or a gift, awesome.